ओम वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षिभास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसंग्रहम्। सन्निपत्य उपकारक एंड आरात उपकारक अर्थ संग्रह. So sannipatya upakaraka, some are, sannipatya means near, close. Some are upakaraka of drishtartham, some are adrishtartham, some are drishtartham. This is what we saw. Examples were given. Avaghata, avahananam is for drishtartha. Prokshana will add to adrishtartha, and pashu, purodasha, etc. It will do both. Now page number 39. Dravyadi anudishya kevalam vidhiyamanam karma arad upakarakam. Dravyadi anudishya kevalam vidhiyamanam karma. So there where dravyadi are not uddeshya. Dravyadi anuddeshya. Kevalam karma is arad upakarakam. In Sannipatya Upakaraka, Dravya is involved directly. Here it is only karma. Yatha, Prayajadi. So you have to remember, Darsha Purnamasa is the example. Darsha Purnamasa is Payaha Ishti Prakriti Yaga. In Darsha Purnamasa, how many angas are there? Darsha Purnamasa is Pradhana Yaga. Okay. Darsha has 3. Purna has 3 yagas. But this entire thing is called Pradhana Yaga. Then it has Anga. In that Anga, they are Prayajati. They are how many? 5. Ido Yajati, Tanunapatam Yajati, Parheshir Yajati, etc. So these 3 plus 3, 3 in Darsha, 3 in Purna. 6 and these 5. All of them put together will produce Punya. In this, those 5 Prayajati, they are Arat Upakaraka because they are not part of Darsha Purna directly. From far, they add to the Punya. This is what we have to understand. Yatha Prayajadi, Arad Upakarakam cha Parama Apurva Utpatta Veva Upayujyate. Parama Apurva. So, Darsha Purnamasa, the 3 plus 3, 6 yagas will produce Apurva. Prayaj also will produce Apurva. All of them add up, they will produce Parama Apurva. Means a great Punya will come through that. That is called Parama Apurva. Parama Apurva Utpattau eva Upayujyate. Means they are not going to add in the Apurva of Darsha and Purna. Prayajadi are going to add up directly to Parama Apurva. They say, we'll come there. We'll meet you in the highest Punya part. First you finish this and you also come there. Like that. Parama Apurva Utpattau eva Upayujyate. सन्निपत्य उपकारकम तो द्रव्य देवता संस्कार द्वारा याग स्वरूपे अपि उपयुज्यते. सन्निपत्य उपकारकम वस्तु थ्रू द्रव्य संस्कार और देवता संस्कार याग स्वरूपे अपि उपयुज्यते. इट विल बी हेल्पफुल इन द याग स्वरूप आल्सो. Means it will help in that yaga itself. not only in the Parama Apurva. Idameva cha ashrayi karma ityuchyate. Idameva cha ashrayi karma ityuchyate. Idam Sannipatya Upakaraka. Sannipatya Upakaraka is also called ashrayi karma. In this way, tadevam nirupitaha sankshepato viniyoga vidhi. In brief, sankshepato viniyoga vidhi nirupitaha. Now next is prayoga vidhi. Prayoga prashubhava bodhako vidhi prayoga vidhi. Prayoga prashubhava bodhako vidhi. Prayoga vidhi. What is prashu? Prashu means shigram. Avilambena. Another word for shigram is avilambena. In other words, when I am ready to do anushtanam, it is called prayoga vidhi. Prayoga prashubhava bodhako vidhi. Prayoga vidhi. Such a anga vakyaika vakyata pannaha pradhana vidhi eva. That itself is otherwise called pradhana vidhi also. And anga means prayajadi. Anga vakyaika vakyata apannaha. Vakyaika vakyata. The vakya of anga. With that, it has ekavakyata. Ekavakyata means it says the same thing in essence as what this is saying. See, vakya vakyata in simple words, like let's say there is a meeting or something. One person puts a point. Another person says, yes, I agree. This is called vakya vakyata. Vakya vakyata is not there when the other person says, no, I disagree. So vakya vakyata means this anga is in agreement with that pradhanam. They have vakya vakyata. Many times, pradhana yag will be there, then some big arthavada will be there. Arthavada will have vakya vakyata with pradhana. So they are agreeing in whatever ritual that is happening. Where there is vakya vakyata, then only you can have angangi bhava. Whether it is with yaga or arthavada or anything. Such a anga vakyika vakyata apannaha pradhana vidhi reva. It is pradhana vidhi itself. So prayajadi anga vakya will have vakyika vakyata with darshapurna masa. And their performance is called prayoga vidhi. Sahi sangam pradhanam anushtapayan vilambe pramana bhavat avilamba apara paryayam prayoga prashubhavam vidatte. Sa pradhana vidhi is sangam pradhanam anushtapayan. Along with the pradhanam anushtapayan, doing its anushtanam, vilambe pramana abhavat. In that there is no vilamba, means pradhana performance and the anga, in them there is no gap. They are scheduled. Vilambe pramana abhavat avilamba apara paryayam prayoga prashubhavam vidatte. Avilamba means no delay. Correct? Its apara paryayam is prashu. Prashu means quickly, immediately. Otherwise known as shigram. So In Vilamba, there is no pramana. Therefore, it has to be done avilamba. That is called, so therefore, there is a vidhanam. Vidhatte means there is a vidhanam for prayoga prashubhava immediately. Nacha tad avilambe api pramana abhava iti vachyam. Somebody says if vilambe there is pramana bhava, avilambe api pramana bhava. Siddhanta Mimamsaka says iti nacha vachyam. विलंबे ही अंग प्रधान विधि एक वाक्यता अवगत तत्साहित्य अनुपपत्ति. इन विलंब अंग प्रधान विधि एक वाक्यता अवगत तत्साहित्य अनुपपत्ति. इन विलंब is between pradhana and anga. This is how you means you can't do darsha purnamasa mukhya yaga sometime and then next weekend we are going to do prayajadi. This is not allowed. You have to do it together. So prayajadi anga and darshadi pradhana, they have ekavakyata. So therefore they are together. Avagata sahitya. Sahitya means together. Your sahitya. Sahachari bhava. So they have to be done together. Together doesn't mean at the same time. Because Yajamana can be present at one place, not the other at the same time. But when one is going on, at that time, other is already planned and other is already ready for execution. Vilambena kriyamanayoho. Padarthayoho idam anena sahakritam iti sahitya vyavahar abhavat. So when there is vilamba, then sahitya means sahachara will not be there. Sahakritatvam. Vilambena kriyamanayoho padarthayoho. When that is there, then idam anena sahagritam, this sahitya vyavahar will not be there. Because you will not be connecting the two. One is different, another is different. Like such a avilambo niyate krame ashriyamane bhavati. But in niyata krama, where you have a proper sequence and it is to be done one after the other, then avilamba ashriyamane bhavati. Niyate krame. Anyatha hi kim etad anantaram एतत् कर्तव्यम एतद अनंतरम वा इति प्रयोग विक्षेप आपत्तेः. If this avilamba is not there, then what will happen? Kim etad anantaram etat kartavyam etad anantaram va. This should be done. A should be done after B or after C. Kim etad anantaram etat kartavyam etad anantaram va iti prayoga vikshepa. Then you will have vikshepa in execution. प्रयोग विक्षेप आपत्ते है. अतः प्रयोग विधिरेव स्वविधेय प्रयोग प्राशुभाव सिद्ध्यर्थम नियतम क्रमम अपि पदार्थ विशेषणतया विधत्ते. Therefore, विधत्ते, what is the कर्ता of विधत्ते? प्रयोग विधि is the कर्ता. प्रयोग विधि ही विधत्ते. स्वविधेय प्रयोग प्राशुभाव सिद्ध्यर्थम. For स्वविधेय प्रयोग प्राशुभाव सिद्ध्यर्थम नियतम क्रमम अपि पदार्थ विशेषणतया विधत्ते. नियतम क्रम. So some krama drishtanta is given in the Hindi Tika for these things. But I think today let us just finish this Moolam, this part, and then दृष्टांत we can see tomorrow. नियतं क्रममपि पदार्थ विशेषणतया विधत्ते, अतः एव अंगानां क्रमबोधको विधिः प्रयोग विधिः इति अपि लक्षणम्. Therefore there is another lakshana for prayog vidhi also. Anganam krama bodhako vidhi. This is more precise as far as the meaning that we have to understand. Other one is also similar only. Prayoga prashubhava bodhako vidhi. But anganam krama, this should be done then next like that. Krama bodhako vidhi, prayoga vidhi ityapi lakshanam. This is also lakshanam for prayoga vidhi. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः.